Sunrader's full. Tour guide's ready. Olympic Peninsula, here we come. We're gonna go hiking. Yeah. We're going tramping, guys. Welcome back to Pacific Northwest Explored. Today we're heading up to the Olympic Peninsula. We've got a Sunrader full of dogs and people, and we're heading to the Lena Lake trailhead. Come along for the ride. Ready, Murda? Ready? Ready, Major? You ready? Okay, we're good. So we're going to Lena Lake. We are there. We're on the Lena Lake Trail. Thirsty, Major? Thirsty? Yeah? Here comes the trail crew working hard. They got the right of way.
And a black map.
Yeah.
Have a good hike.
Yeah. Thanks for your hard work.
Yeah. Thanks.
There's what I think is a trillium. Beautiful. Big trees here. Ooh, a footbridge. Little yellow wallflowers here. Who's that? Hey, Major. Hey, Major. Go find Judy. Where's your buddy? Go find him. Here we are. Lena Lake. Cool. Hanging out right at the cliff. Look at that. Big drop off?
Here. Well, here, right up. Go. Go. Yeah, he was like swimming. Kind of looks a little scruff life, but it's fine. He doesn't usually know how to do that. Yeah, the drop on for a log. Did you get this stick?
Get it! Get that stick! Where is it? Where'd it go? Yeah. Good deep.
Right there. Look at it.
Get it!
Get it, right up.
Go get it! Good boy right there.
Right on. There are the towels.
It's super deep.
Yeah, it's like really deep. Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, it's yeah.
They're just getting it. Go get it! Get it! Just get ready to grab it. There are some big trees in here right along the lake. There's a twin-seater split. Wow, look at all the trillium here. It's amazing. Right by the trailhead. Here we are, I made it back. So, what's our elevation gain? Doesn't say.
There's a rock elevation. Rock avalanche.
We made it to Lena Lake Campground. And then you can go further up to the Brothers base camp. But here we go. Lena Lake Trailhead. Lena Lake Campground, 3.2 miles, 1,800 foot elevation gain. So that's what we did today. We made it! We made it, dogs! Woohoo! Did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy that? Yeah, yeah. What? You got a stick? Goofballs. You goofballs. Dinner at Big Miniman.